hello. Saturday the 5th of February 2022. We're away for a one-nighter on a pub stopover tonight. Heather will tell you about that in a minute. We did go away last weekend. We didn't film that because it wasn't a campsite or anything like that. It was a friend's driveway. So we didn't make a, we're not that desperate that we're going to make a vlog of that. Anyway, over to Heather with details of what we're going to do today.
Okay, so we are stopping at the block warehouse at Shardlow for a pub stopover. They don't ask you to use their premises, but we will be this evening. Maybe a beer or two and something to eat.
Maybe. Chances guaranteed.
But when we get there, we're going to take a walk along the canal, past Shardlow Marina and past STORMY Marina.
There's a reason.
Hold on. And there is a microbrewery. So someone might be having a beer there as well.
Yeah, so...
But this is London Road, the B5010. We've just got off the A50. And as you can see, maybe the sign, we're coming into Shardlow now.
It's only about half an hour from our house, this one.
Here on the left-hand side.
Here we go. Silly of me. Come on, Jaguar. Yeah, pub on the left, clock warehouse.
And if you do come and stay, they recommend that you go down to the car park on the right. So when we come in,
destination is on the left.
Cheers.
So down that one.
Yeah, down to the.
See, there's a campervan over there.
Yeah, but that one's always there.
We're going to go right here. There's a Heimer there, look. And we're going to go somewhere we don't know yet. Righty-ho, so this is where we've picked a space. Got the view of the field there in front of us. And then there is the pub itself. We're going to get on the Canal towpath now. I'll show you the front of the pub from there. It's very, very windy though. Apologies if the sound is already bad. Alright, so this is the pub from the front. See the canal goes along there. Presumably years ago you could go under it for something. Maybe it was a grain loading warehouse or something. Who knows? That's the car park, plenty of room. And then we're going to go that way to find the microbrewery. But as I say, really, really windy. I found a sheltered spot here. Yeah, so fingers crossed we have a decent day. We'll pick this up in a bit. Say bye, Poppy. Say bye.
Bye. Oh, that one swan.
It's just the one swan, actually. I will keep doing it till someone puts in the comments what film it's from. I'm telling you. So yeah, straight out of the car park and turn right over the canal bridge, and we're going the opposite way to the pub along here. Hopefully the wind isn't spoiling it. As I've said, I must have repeated myself a million times. It's very windy. Say hello.
Hello.
It's like a hare.
It's all over the place.
Yeah, I don't suffer with that, you see.
I'm knitting myself a head snoot thing.
Oh,
I don't really like hats, but that'll sort of keep it down and keep me ears nice and warm.
Yeah. Yeah, so before I was rudely interrupted by the dog doing something. Yeah, we're stopping on that pub car park tonight. The menus look lovely. Had a look online. We've booked a table for 7:15 because the idea of going out for a walk this early in the morning is we've got to get back. There's 2 rugby matches on this afternoon.
Six Nations back on. Yes.
So,
yes.
Yeah, so someone likes the rugby. So this afternoon will be spent.
Well, the other thing is that the weather is better.
Yeah, that's true.
Nothing to do with the rugby.
No, of course.
At all.
So yeah, we're hoping to get to this microbrewery for lunchtime-ish, spin round and get back to the van, watch the rugby, and then go out for a meal, and then early home in the morning. I have a car video to film for my other channel. So a fun packed weekend to be had by all, except for you poor souls watching this.
Well, they might not be watching it at the weekend, so
True. Just doing little bits of filming while it's not windy, while I'm by some trees or something. Some lovely houses along here though that we've passed. Proper money. Yeah, look what that boat's called. It's the Kraken. For those Pirates of the Caribbean fans. Yeah, keep the black pearl away from the Kraken. That's one for all you 70s porn fans. Nobody's going to get that. Ian might get it. Heather's looking quizzical, pretending she doesn't know. Look, J. Holmes and Sons. It's a joke. Ian will get that. He's a dirty old man. I'm still cross with him about his hair joke. That's all I'm going to say. Watch his vlog where he does something else to wreck his van, and he's got a paintbrush and he makes a hair joke about my follicle challenged head, saying there's more hair on his paintbrush. I watched it, you know. Don't think I didn't. So it looks like the canal crosses the river at this point. We've seen warning signs as we've gone along for strong currents and boats not to proceed if certain lights are on. So wonder what's up here as we go along.
What about sultanas and raisins?
Oh yes, very good. If you didn't catch that, she said, what about the sultanas and raisins, when I said current. Yeah, leave the jokes to me. It's about the best action you're going to get for today. This is the Oxford and Cambridge one-man boat race. I'm voting for... I'm waiting for a sudden burst of speed here. I was waiting for a sudden burst of speed. You were my entertainment for the day. Can't you go downstream? It'll be faster. Right, so this is where the canal opens up, obviously, and crosses the rivers, as it said. Where are we going now? We're going round that way, apparently. So there's one river across there. Yeah. Wind, terrible wind noise, I'd imagine. We shall see. We're going over that bridge.
Yeah. Under the M1.
Yeah, that's the M1 above our heads.
It's not very wide from here, does it?
No. And there was a big sign saying all craft keep right, because there's a weir there, look. There. That's it. That joke didn't pan out well, did it? In fairness, I didn't prepare it, so I'm surprised you got the punchline. So yeah, M1. And we still haven't got to the... Right, so just coming into Stopover Marina, there's a Hungry Horse pub with the most obscure name I've ever seen. It's called the Plank and Legget. What is that all about? The Plank and Legget? It must be some old nautical term. There's a T25 or T3 if you want to give it its correct designation. There you go. The smell of old Volkswagens. Burn that oil. That's Stopover Marina. After my navigator took us the wrong way, we ended up on the other side of the canal and we've had to double back, but I'm not going to mention it.
Well, we're doing too early for the pub opening anyway.
Always an excuse. Always an excuse.
Well, you've seen that the Plank and Legget's there.
Yeah, true. Wouldn't have never heard of a pub called the Plank and Legget. So, right, so approaching the old lockkeeper's cottages. There's a cafe one side and the microbrewery the other side. Opens at 12, I think. We're a bit early, but might have a snifter or two. The Lockkeeper's Rest micro pub. Friday 2 p.m. till 10 p.m, Saturday 12 noon till 10 p.m, Sunday 12 noon till 8 p.m. Over 18s only. I should just about scrape it. Yeah. Right, so that's what we've gone on today up there. Anything with a green dot on it. I've gone for Salvation first, and then I'm going to have a try hopped. The next one goes to a bitter, and then a mild man's a dustman, which is apparently a bit chocolatey, I think he said. Yeah, chocolate, and then the dark drake is licoricey. Not my thing. But yeah, lovely little pub. Heather's gone for that hot chocolate. There's mine. There we go, look. This time she's on, what's that called? Lily's Rhubarb Cider. We had that at Lower Lakon at the beer festival. And I'm on, this is Try Hopped, which is appropriate because we're going to go and watch the rugby in a minute. Try, do you get it? Try Hopped? Very good. We had to have a third one. Somebody twisted my arm. I was allowed 3. I was allowed. Can you hear us, Mother? Through the wind. We've now got a rapid walk back to the van to get back in time for the rugby, because somebody decided to make me have a third beer. That was absolutely fantastic. Let me tell you, if you ever come to Shardlow, go in that micro pub. It was great. Lovely. What are you filming the dog's arse?
That rhubarb cider was lovely. And he's given me the camera again after I've had cider at lunchtime. And it's starting to rain.
I've only had half. Someone put on one of the posts a while ago, more afternoon drinking. Your wish is our command. Oh God.
The thing is, we're walking along a towpath of a canal.
What can go wrong? She's had half. Look at her. She's had half. At least I've had 3.
It's not a competition.
Look on the canal there. Just
one swan, actually.
Just help a little bit. It's too
Hello.
long. Just
Hello.
There's legs in the way there.
Sorry for the lack of afternoon drinking, rambling on the way back from the pub. It started raining and we just walked like maniacs in order to get back in time for the rugby.
And so it begins.
And yeah, we didn't miss anything. We just got back in time
for the first try.
So we will see you tonight when we're in the pub.
Not before.
No, it won't be before.
No?
I've had enough of vlogging today.
Okay.
See you in the pub later. You can look at me dinner like proper Facebook people do. Goodbye. Toasted sandwiches in the Ridge Monkey. Why not? And a begging dog. Do you want some sandwich? Carefully reversing, you know my thing on pub car parks. So after a very blustery night, rain and wind, we're away early. There was about 10 campervans on here last night. A couple have left. A couple of T5s, a few motorhomes. Decent enough meal in the pub, wasn't it? Not too bad.
Yeah.
I wouldn't say it was brilliant, but it was all right. But would I say it was worth 50 quid? No.
No.
We spent 50 quid in the pub last night, so it was an expensive camp over, and I don't think it was worth it. But yeah, we had a good day yesterday. Yeah, I don't know if I'll get a picture of the van in front of the pub really. Right then, resume going out now.
Yep.
We tried to take a thumbnail of the van in front of the pub. It'll probably be too dark. It's only 10 to 8 on Sunday morning as we're leaving. As I said earlier in the video, I'm supposed to be filming a video on a car today. That ain't gonna happen. So,
We'd just like to say the pub meal was fine. You didn't have to have a meal in there.
no.
I mean, some of those vans arrived after we went back to the...
Yeah, they literally turned up after we went back to the van last night.
So,
No, I'm not knocking the pub, don't get me wrong. I just think I made
we've
a bad...
definitely had better.
Yeah, and I probably... The thing is, I was a bit grumpy because my choice of meal, we haven't got that. And it's like, you've pondered through the... I didn't take my glasses in as per normal, so I take photos of the menu and then pinch it wide with my phone so I can read it. So I farted around for ages looking for what I wanted to eat. Heather went up to the bar, we haven't got any of that. So I then had to panically pick something else that I didn't want. It's like, nah! So, anyway. We're going now. We're going now. See you later.
Bye!
Ta-ra.